Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Riot Client is running. We could not uninstall Valorant. We will access settings from the Start menu. Then in Apps, open the option Installed Apps. In this window, click on the three dots in Riot Client and select Uninstall. Click Uninstall again. You must click Yes to authorize. The Riot error will be seen. As a first step, in the taskbar, right-click on the Riot icon and choose the option Exit to close the application. After this, we will open the Task Manager, and there we confirm that there is no Riot process running on the system. Once you confirm this, you will go to Settings, click on the three Valorant dots, choose Uninstall, and confirm the process by clicking Uninstall. Now the uninstallation process will be completed without any error. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.